Okay, so I'm going to keep this video pretty quick and short. We're just adding to the dividend portfolio here. We're going to add in ET. Last week we added in GEO, and I mentioned I was going to add in the ET. So that's what we're doing this week, and I'll probably add another one in here in a couple days. But I'm just going to quickly go over the process once again for those that didn't see the last video. Starting with the monthly chart. On the first of every month, I go through these lists here. I've got 8 here that have dividend stocks, and I go through them, and when they start printing up B, I put a green flag on it, and those are the ones that I focus on for the whole month. So we do that on the daily chart, and once they start printing Bs on the daily chart, I add it to the Excel spreadsheet, and then I just add in the dividends per share, how often they get paid annually, and how many shares I can buy right now with the amount of money that I have in the account, and then what the annual payout will be. And I choose the one that has the largest annual payout. So that's how I shortlist it and pick the stocks that pay out the dividends for building this portfolio here. So I'm just going to go over, this was the one that we wanted, was the ET. Head over to the broker's account. You can see the holdings right now. ET is the newest one added. We have GEO, HCSG, and KMF. We ended last week with 70 in the cash balance. I added in another 100 today, and we've bought in the ET, so I'm back down to 81 as the cash balance. So I'll add in another stock here in a day or two. We'll see what there is, but as you can see, put in another $100, and there's the buy right here for energy transfer. All right, we'll head over to the projected income. You're not going to see ET on this one, but I do want to continue showing you guys this as it's growing here. It's 1382 right now. Nothing too exciting. It's just showing these three, our first 3 into the portfolio. And then the next video, you're going to see an increase in this because of ET. Our target is to get this amount up to the $600 range, which will give us about a 50 monthly average to start really compounding this portfolio. So that's the goal, and we'll talk to you guys hopefully in a couple days.